Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video we'll be studying, this is the next video or the continuation video of the mechanism of inspiration. In this video we'll be studying how the expiration process takes place, or the breathing out process. Expiration means breathing out. That is how the CO2 is eliminated out. How CO2 is eliminated outside the body. So as we all know, I think this concept must be clear till now, that how is oxygen reaching inside your body. So all requires, it is a game of pressure and volume, right? So the pressure and volume is somewhat different from that of the outside, and it should be less, because always the gases travel from high concentration area to low concentration area. But what will happen in case of CO2? It will be reversed. The logic will remain the same, that is, the gas will also travel in the same direction from high concentration to low concentration, but now the concentration will increase in case of the body. What will increase? The CO2 concentration inside your body will increase. So that is why the high pressure of the CO2 inside your body will be more. Due to high pressure, due to high concentration, it will want to go outside. So that will be the movement of the air from high pressure to low pressure. So that we'll be talking about in this video. So in case of expiration means breathing out. That is when the CO2 is eliminated out. Now what will happen when oxygen, it reaches inside your body? This is oxygen, it is coming, it is reaching inside your body. This is your cell, for example. It is having food that you have eaten. Now oxygen will come inside, it will oxidize your food. After oxidation, it will release CO2, some amount of H2O, and energy in the form of ATP. These three things are released. Now this CO2, as all the oxygen particles are going and they are reaching this food inside the cells. Now what will happen to this cell? All the cells will be oxidized, the food inside all the cells will be oxidized. So the food is getting oxidized. Now what is happening here? CO2 amount will slowly increase inside your body. If the CO2 amount will increase inside your body, what will happen? The carbon dioxide, if it is increasing, that means inside your body, what is there? More CO2. That is, the pressure of CO2 will be more. The pressure of CO2 will be more inside your body. Now movement of CO2 takes place from outside to inside. That is, what will happen here now? If we want that the volume, we are saying that the volume in inspiration we had said that for bringing in the air, what needs to be low? The pressure needs to be low. How are we lowering down the pressure? By increasing the volume. Here what we will do, we will decrease the volume so that the pressure will increase, and if there is more pressure in the inside, what will happen? It will move outside. It will move outside. So now what is happening? For example, this is your rib cage, just a rough hand diagram, guys. And what is happening? Earlier when during the inspiration, the volume was more. Now if you want to decrease the volume, the diaphragm will again move upwards in its original position, that is the dome shaped, and the rib cage will move downwards. This is downwards and inwards. So if it will move downwards and inwards, and the diaphragm will move upwards, obviously the volume is decreasing. If the volume is decreasing, the pressure will increase. So if the pressure is more inside, where will the air like to go? Air would like to go outside. So this is happening in this case of expiration. Again, I will tell you what is happening here. Why do we need to eliminate out the waste? Because what is happening during the inspiration process, during the breathing in process, you are taking in oxygen. Each of the oxygen is reaching your food which is present inside the cells. This will oxidize the food and release three things: CO2, H2O, and energy in the form of ATP. So energy here, it is being increased, and CO2 energy is being further used up by our body. But what is happening to the CO2? CO2 needs to be eliminated out. इन ऑर्डर टू बी एलिमिनेटेड आउट, उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए हमें फिर से क्या करना है, हमें एयर प्रेशर का डिफरेंस क्रिएट करना है. कैसे कि हमें अंदर का ज़्यादा करना है ताकि वो चीज़ अंदर से बाहर जाए. ऑक्सीजन के केस में क्या था, उसको हमें अंदर में लेना था, वी हैड टू टेक इट इनसाइड. So for taking it inside, what we had to do, we had to decrease the volume, and in this way what is happening, in this case what is happening, we need to increase the pressure inside. So to increase the pressure we will decrease the volume. And how will we decrease the volume? Rib cage movement downwards and inwards, and diaphragm will move upwards to its dome shaped position, that is the original position. What is the movement of diaphragm? Upward, and it will form a dome shape. So this dome shape will ensure that the volume is decreasing and thereby pressure will increase. So if the pressure is more, where will the CO2 move? From high to low. From high to low pressure. Now in this case it is moving from high to low pressure, so that is why the CO2 is eliminated outside your body, and this is the basic mechanism of expiration that you need to know, guys. So in this case what is happening, the CO2 is being eliminated out. In the previous video, if you have not seen that video, you need to see that how during the inspiration process, that how during the breathing in process what is happening. And this also is a very important video, guys, so make sure you're watching both those videos, and make sure you're watching the entire breathing program that is going on. So I hope you guys like the video. Please like the video, guys, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you have anything regarding the videos, any comment, any doubts, anything you're not understanding, so I make sure I help you out. Thank you, guys, and take care. Stay tuned for the next video.